Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing a box by Iographer, so let's get into it. Okay, let's open the box. Inside we have the case for all the equipment that you get, the accessory pack. It's really nice and it'll fit all the things that you need. Now, the second thing that we get are the two lenses. Then we have the telephoto lens. And the other one is the wide angle lens. Now I'm using the telephoto lens. This is how it looks. So you just clip it on it and it shows really pretty. It's really pretty, and this one is the wide angle lens. And this one makes everything far and how it looks. Now we have a cell phone ring light for your phone. It's really nice for like concerts and small things. Then we have the microphone for your stand that you'll get. And then we have filmmaking case for my cell phone. Then we have the tripod that you put on the holding thing to help you hold it better and to set it up. Then we have the clips for the lenses. Okay, then we have the live camera action book that tells you all the things that you need about your set. Then we have the 10-inch ring light. Thank you so much, Iographer, for sending me this amazing kit. It is really useful and you should go buy yourself some. So the link will be in the description so you can get one yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.